So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So ngayon guys, sa video na ito ay tuturuan ko kayo kung paano i-apply yung primer at saka yung foundation and then yung concealer. So let's start. Sure na nakahilamos ka na bago ka mag-start. So first is I'm using this moisturizer. This is Aqua Moisturizer Glow made in Korea. So maganda kasi ito because it helps your face na ma-prepare para sa mga ilalagay mo na makeup. At the same time, para maiwasan mo rin yung pag-oily ng skin. Kaya kailangan mo siyang i-moisturize. So yan, so I get a pea size and then I place it in my face where I will apply the makeup. And then after, what I did is I use my hand to massage. Then, antayin mo lang siya until na madry siya. Saka natin ilalagay yung ating primer. So, pag naglalagay ka ng moisturizer, dapat siya yung una kasi siya yung base bago mo ilagay yung primer. Ayan, so after our moisturizer, yung susunod naman is yung primer. So, I'm using this all matte. So, I bought this in Shopee. This is says Lady. But it's good naman. So far, hindi ka mangangati. So, primer is very good for our face. Kasi nga, pag-hold yung ating makeup at the same time, hindi siya maging cakey, hindi siya yung mabilis mabura, at saka hindi kalat-kalat yung ating makeup. So, yan. So, what I did is I only get a pea size and then I place it in my middle finger and then I apply it in my face like this. Yan. And then, para siyang kasing oil, pero hindi naman siya oil, pero medyo ano siya, oily. And then, you try to massage para mas mabilis niyang ma-absorb. Yan. It also helps para yung mga pores na malalaki, lalo na pag may mga malalaki kang pores, para matakpan pag gumamit tayo ng foundation. Yan. So, meron na tayong moisturizer and at the same time, meron na tayong primer. So, yan. So, ganun lang kadami yung ginagamit ko. Kasi, ano na siya, very effective. And then the next thing na gagawin natin is mag-apply tayo ng foundation. So I'm using this. This is Careline Pro. So this is very good. This is a flawless foundation. I use the natural color. Yun yung mas gusto ng aking skin. Then I also get a pea size that kasi marami na to actually. And then I also use my tongue to place it in my face. Yan. So now, I do a circular motion. Pag ina-apply ko yung foundation para even yung pag-apply. Yan. Also here. I also put in my eyelids para mag-hold yung ating eyeshadow. Yan. So, yung pinaka-gusto ko talaga to kasi hindi siya halata na meron kang foundation, para lang siyang natural. At the same time, hindi nagiging cakey yung face mo. Yan. And then, the last one is concealer. Yan. So, anong purpose ng concealer? So, normally, ang concealer, siya yung kaya nga concealer based on its name kasi tinatago niya yung mga pimples natin, yung mga black spots, yung ating black eye, yung mga, basta yung mga may itim na part sa ating mukha. So, what I did is, I just get a very small part kasi sobrang madami na siya. And then, first is, you can apply it under your eyes. Yan, I use it I do it like this. And then here, actually, normally here, and as you can see, konti lang yan, pero pag ano, dumadami. And then here, and then also I have here, kasi nga meron akong konting black spots. Yan, so you can also apply it in the area of pimples, or kaya yung mark ng pimples or acne, ganyan. So, and then I use this brush. Yan, so you can see the difference. And then here. And then here. Tapos pag magagamit kayo ng brush, make sure na nabiblend nyo talaga yung makeup para hindi siya mukhang cakey. Yan, so. And then also, I put some here. So, yan. So, ito na siya.
Congratulations!
I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you. See you.